Hey guys, so welcome back. So guys, now we are in our lecture number 17. So in this lecture we are try to understand what is a collection and what are the use of this collection, why we required all these connection. So be honest, I let you know that collection is very important and you need to understand it carefully, so later on you can know the what are the advantage of this collection. Okay, so the first thing what we can do with the collection, so the first thing that we can use our users and device collection for application deployment. So take an example, as a administrator, you you have a 70 or 50 license for any kind of application. We can take an example that we have a 50 license for MS Office, okay, or we want to install these application on 50 devices, and first we need to decide on which device we are going to install these applications. So you need to create a device collection and add all those devices in their device collection and deploy the MS Office application on those 50 devices. So in this way we can use our device collection. So there are much more. So also we can use collection for assigning a administrative roles, turning a remote desktop, power management, maintenance windows. So there are four type of collection. So the first one is a user collection where we can manage our users, a device collection where we can manage our devices, computer, so you can say laptop, desktop, or virtual machine, and any kind of machine you can manage with the device collection. The third one is a default collection. So in default connection we can manage users, devices, and create it created automatically when we install a SCCM server. So SCCM pull all the information, SCCM pull from Active Directory, right? So this the default connection is okay, can't be changed. Okay, and the fourth one is a custom collection, or you can say static collection, so where we need to add our member manually. So for example, you create a collection, you can say any name you can give it. So for example, you created a group called a IT. Okay, so in that static collection you need to add member manually. Okay, so dynamic collection, if you create a dynamic collection, it work automatically, member can add it automatically as per the parameter. Okay, so now if we talk about like a collection membership rules. Okay, so first one is a direct rule. So if I'll take a pencil, I'll show you that the first one is a direct rule. So in direct rule, member can add it manually, and if we can create a include collection members from other collection. So if we can use include collection, so we can include members from a other collection if we have a multiple collection, and if we create a include collection we can pull members from other collection, and exclude collection we can exclude members from other collection. So there is another one that is a query rules. So member added automatically and schedule. Okay, sorry, member added dynamically as per the schedule. So guys, in this way we can create a multiple collection, and in my next video I'll show you that how you can create a collection. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.